Hello, I'm Michael Hainsworth at the Toronto Stock Exchange, looking back so we can see the road ahead. Kevin Sampson is the president of equity trading and a 13-year veteran of the Toronto Stock Exchange.
Over the last 13 years, TMX has really evolved in a variety of different ways. The global nature of our business, there's a significant difference from years of old and now. We've seen our market diversify in terms of the regional investment, the companies that are listing, and that we're attracting to the market. The presence that we have on the global stage has been a huge change over the time that I've been here.
Sampson has seen just over the last 5 years a client-centric approach, a focus on understanding the client needs and the needs of the market to fuel innovation.
As a result of that, we've been able to be more successful in terms of helping our clients succeed, as well as meeting our objectives as a company in becoming more relevant and more global.
Sampson points out he's seeing an increase in diversity of companies listed on the TSX and the TSX Venture. There's been a broadening of sectors and stages of maturity.
It's really changing the perception of Canada's capital markets on the global stage. Not only are we, continue to be perceived as the world-leading resource economy and market in the world, but now we're becoming known and emerging as global leaders in innovation, in global clean tech, biotech, and of course, cannabis.
How crazy is it that you spend part of your day talking about cannabis?
Yeah, it's really interesting. When we go out there globally and we spend a lot of time promoting Canada's markets, the TMX markets globally. And last year, cannabis is certainly a topic of discussion. And we've really developed, kind of as an economy and as a market, expertise, whether that be from a marketplace perspective and the supporting ecosystem and community to become the global innovators around cannabis. As a result of that diversity and adaptive nature of our ecosystem, we're now able to attract a global, diverse base of companies and issuers, as well as traders and investors as well from all around the world that are attracted to this kind of emerging expertise that Canada and our markets are receiving on the world stage in terms of diversity of stock list, innovation, and new emerging sectors. As a result of that, increased trading activity, increased liquidity, and increasing participation and investment in our markets.
Sampson sees the three key equity markets, the TSX, the Venture, and the Alpha, as critical to attracting talent and financing to Bay Street.
For us, I think that's what's important is offering our customers, our traders, our investors, optionality. And that optionality, as their business models evolve, as they become more sophisticated in terms of how they approach the market, how they invest in the market, the technological tools that they have to interact with the market, we need to keep pace as well.
Are you telling me that cannabis is the gateway drug to the TSX?
Yeah, I wouldn't go so far as that, but I think what it is doing is showcasing the TMXs and the Canadian market's ability to innovate, to be thought and policy leaders on the global stage.